Good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your study at home. Students, in previous video, we have learned about conversion of time. Now, today we will go forward for the same content. So, let us start. Question number 1. Convert 1125 seconds into minutes and seconds. Students, here in this question we have given 1125 seconds. यहाँ पे हमें स्मॉल यूनिट को बिग यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आपको पता है कि जब हम स्मॉल यूनिट को बिग यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. So here we will divide. So let's start. Students, as we know that कि 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore here we will divide 1125 by 60 minutes. So let's divide 1125 by 60. So here our divisor is 2 digits. So we start with 2 digits. But here 11 is smaller than 60. So it means we will take 3 digits. So 60 goes into 112 one time. So 112 minus 60. We get 52. Now we bring down next digit, which is 5. And 60 goes into 525. How many times? It's 8 times. And in 8 times, we get 480. Now let us subtract 480 from 525. So after subtraction, we get 45. तो students, यहाँ पर 18 जो है वो minutes है और 45 जो है वो seconds है. So our answer is 18 minutes 45 seconds. Thus 1125 seconds is equal to 18 minutes and 45 seconds. Now let us take second question. Question 2. Convert 832 minutes into hours and minutes. Students, यहाँ पर भी हमें small unit को big unit में convert करना है. तो यहाँ पर भी हम क्या करेंगे? बिल्कुल सही, यहाँ पर भी हमें डिवाइड करना होगा. So let's solve it. And here we have 832 minutes और हमें इस minutes को hour में convert करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? So here we will divide 832 by 60 क्योंकि we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. हम इसे hour में convert कर रहे हैं. So here we'll write hours. So let us divide 832 by 60. So 60 goes into 83 one time. So we get 60 and 83 minus 60 we get 23. Now we bring down next digit which is 2 and 60 goes into 232. How many times? It's 3 times and we get 180. Now we will subtract 180 from 232 and we get 52. Students, यहाँ पर जो रिमाइंडर बच गया वो ही क्या है हमारा मिनट्स और जो क्वोशिएंट है वो क्या है आवर्स. Thus 832 minutes is equal to 13 hours and 52 minutes. Now let us take one more question. Question 3. Convert 79 hours into days and hours. Students, as we know that कि वन डे में 24 आवर्स होते हैं. So 79 आवर्स में कितने डे और कितने आवर्स होंगे ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. So let's solve it. So here we will divide 79 by 24. So 24 goes into 79. How many times? It's 3 times and we get 72. So 79 minus 72 we get 7. Students, यहाँ पर ये जो 7 है वो क्या है? वो आवर्स है और ये जो 3 है वो क्या है? डे है. Thus 79 hours is equal to 3 days and 7 hours. So students, this is how you can convert the given time. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time and your questions are here. So pause your video and please solve it. I always suggest you watch videos because you have chance to learn something new. So keep on watching and enjoying videos. And we'll meet in next video. Till then, Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.